Okay, we're going to be making an extra large fleece tie bed for a cat. So we've got our first 2 yards of fabric here folded and on the table. Smooth it all out. We'll get our yardstick, put the 18-inch mark on the center crease. Then take a piece of chalk, mark both ends of the yardstick and the 18-inch mark in the center. Now you're going to put the yardstick in the center and come straight out from the fold and mark 28 inches. Now keeping the end of the yardstick at the center point, you're going to make a mark 22 inches in between the other two chalk marks. And make one on the other side. Okay, now take your piece of chalk and draw your half oval connecting all the dots. Next, cut out around the oval. Okay, next we're laying out the 2 yard folded fabric for the top of our pillow, and then we're putting the other oval cut fabric on top to use as a pattern, and we're going to cut out around the half oval pattern. Okay, next lay out both oval fabrics on top of each other. Then you're going to cut 3-inch long strips about 1/2 inch apart. It helps if you make a little wooden block that's 3 inches long by 1/2 inch wide. Okay, next start tying all the 3-inch strips together. Tie the top one to the bottom one all the way around, but leave an opening large enough to stuff the pillow with polyfil. Okay, next start stretching out the fabric. Now start stuffing it with polyfil. We used about 4 pounds of polyfil stuffing. Okay, when you're done stuffing, tie the rest of the tabs. Okay, here's our finished product. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.